Hello and welcome. I wanted to give you a quick tutorial how to be able to sign this document for Grasp. So normally when you download this document, it should show up in your downloads folder on your laptop or your computer. And when you open that document, you should open it with Adobe. And I did want to preface that this is a free version of Adobe, so you do not need to pay for any subscription to be able to sign this document for us. Now, if your window looks a little bit different, that is okay. It really depends on the type of version you have of Adobe and also the kind of computer you have. I am working with a MacBook. And so once you're finished reading this contract and document, you can scroll all the way down to the bottom and you can see that we need 3 things from you under this contract and patient advocate section. We're going to need your name, your signature, and the date. Now we're going to be working with this left-hand panel here. And there's 2 ways of finding the section where we need you to sign. You can either work with all tools here, and we're going to look for the tab that says fill and sign. So you click view more and hit fill and sign, or you go directly into this e-sign tab as well. And now you're going to see this new screen here, which will help us sign this document. So if you hover your mouse over where it says name, you can see that Adobe is already understanding that this is a fillable space. So once you click that, you can just type in your name and then just hover out of it and click for it to save. We're going to do the date as well, just because it's the same kind of section. If you can see over signature, it is not showing up the same, but over date it is. So for example purposes, today is May 3rd, 2025. You click out of it and it saves. Now in order to get your signature, there's 2 ways of going about this. If you hover back over to the left-hand panel, you see this little tab that says Add Signature, and you click it. Now Adobe will give you 2 ways of doing this, either typing or drawing your name. I'm going to show you both ways. You can decide which way is easier for you. I will start with the drawing one. And so if you've ever been to any bank, sometimes they have a little screen and the way to do this is very similar, where you click down with your mouse and just drag across as if you would be signing it. And so you can just sign your name, just for example purposes. Or if you choose not to do this way, you can click the type tab up here and just type in your name, and Adobe will do it in a cursive style, and you can choose the style that you prefer. Whichever way you decide to sign this document, drawing or typing, once you are finished, you click apply. And now before you click down with your mouse, you can see that the signature follows you around. So you can actually just click down wherever you want to place the signature and you're all set. Do not forget to save this document before sending it over to Grasp. And I hope that this tutorial is helpful.